The very first thing you're going to need to do is you simply need to go to your local internet browser and basically just get Steam. If you don't have Steam, if you don't have a Steam account, you're going to need to make one no matter what you're actually trying to get Geodash on. But basically, you need to get Steam, and once you're on Steam, you can basically search for Geometry Dash just on the search page. And from here, once you actually add it to your cart, what you're going to want to do, you just want to go to the payment method. You can choose if you want to pay with PayPal, a card, crypto, or whatever you're actually trying to do. And once you've actually paid for the game, and the next thing you're going to need to do once you've actually paid for the game is you can see if we just go to the game right here, you're actually going to need to install Steam just onto your desktop computer or console or monitor. Once you've actually gotten Steam on whatever you're actually trying to play this on, you simply want to search for GD on the Steam application that you now have. And basically, when you click on the play option, you'll actually be able to see it'll simply just slowly get Geometry Dash just on whatever you're trying to play. And you can see once it's actually done, it'll take about 5 minutes to do so. Simply run it on whatever you're actually trying to do. But basically, you just need to get Steam, and then you need to get G-Day for about $5, and you can easily run it, which is pretty dang cool.